Hello, welcome back to CAPSIM 2023 round 4. This video gives guidelines and tips to save the company from round 3. So in fact, this company did not very well in round 3, and we need to save the company in round 3 and round 4 to gain back good sales and profit. So if you are watching this video, you know that we should not make mistake in right from round 1, but in case you have made some mistake in round 2 and round 3, we can still save the company to get back good sales in profit after 2 round 3 and round 4. You can watch the video of round 3 in a previous video. So you see that's in R&D screen. We in round 3, to save the company, we have added 3 new products, so we can double sales and profit from round 5 to gain back good sales and profit. And now it is round 4. We update R&D to the ideal spot, actually as close to the ideal spot as possible, because the team did make some mistake in round 1 and round 2, so we cannot update to ideal spot on the product. But you see on the screen we have added 3 new products. So new product, it is at the ideal spot in round 4, and this is round 4. We can start gaining back some good sales, but only some profit. And round 5 we can gain both good sales and profit from round 5 to round 8. So 2 rounds miss some mistake in round 1 and round 2 can save in round 3 and round 4. So now you see the marketing screen. We it is round 4, so we reduce $1 for each product, not 50 cents. We reduce $1 so that we can get a quick sale, quick gaining back good sales and profit in round 4. So we see that we have 8 products right now, so we can double sale and profit in 3 segments and maintain good sales and profit in 2 segments. So we apply strong promotion and sales of 2,000 for all of the 8 products. This is the turnaround round, so we need to invest strong in sales and promotion. Again, this video gives the guidelines for saving the company from round 3. Actually, the team did some mistake in round 1 and round 2, so we need to get back both good sale and profit in round 3. So we now calculate the sale forecast. Based on the last round unit result from last round. We multiply by the segment growth, and then we can add about 10 or 15 or even 20%, because we have updated the product to good position. So we now to add input sale focus in the marketing table, as you see on the screen, for 8 products, even including the 3 new products. So round 4 we will get good sales and also some profit, right? Round 5 we will get both top sales and profit. For account receivable and account payable, we just leave 30 days. Next round we will increase the account receivable to 46 days to give customer longer time of payment, delay the payment, and we can increase more sale because of more favorable condition. And now we have the production screen. We input the production just by sale focus and minus or deduct inventory. So we have updated. We need to update the production capacity to meet increasing demand. So we increase some. First, we adjust the production schedule based on the capacity. Maximum we can produce 200%, and now we need to increase the production capacity to have enough capacity to produce next round. So we increase automation to 4.0 for high-end performance and size, and also we increase automation for low-end and to 8. We should increase that to 10 in next 2 rounds. And also we increase capacity for almost all the product to have increasing demand. You see that we have maximum capacity for all the products, so we increase the capacity for almost 7 products now. We increase more in low end, so we have more capacity to meet higher demand, highest demand of low-end product. So we adjust to use almost all the limited funds, around 38 million here. You see that, so we have increased automation and production capacity for 7 production. Now we move to human resource decision, HR decision. So we leave that at 3040. Next time we will increase to 5080, right? And we issue the stocks to get more funds to support strong investment this round. And we also use short-term and long-term debts. We also use short-term and long-term debts. For account receivable, we increase that to 45 and 46 days. This now is okay to have more favorable condition for customer to sell more. And we check the cash position to make sure that we have enough cash position. 47 million is quite good enough, the maximum we can get to avoid any case of emergency loans. And now we set decision for total quality management. We use all the 10 total quality management for 1,000. We can focus on some more activities if we find that needed, but basically we spend 1,000 for all of them. Now we check the estimated result for round 4. Again, this video gives guidelines for a team that did mistake in round 1 and round 2, and we are trying to save the company. Trying to save the company to get back good sales and profit in round 3 and round 4. If you need support, you can send the email or check the more guidelines on the website. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.